Hello viewers, so welcome to Moja for Industry. We are at Boma Conexpo India 2024. That is India's, I think, second largest exhibition on construction and mining equipment industry. And we are right here at the biggest stall of Boma Conexpo India 2024. That is none other than of SANY India.
We are joined by Mr. Sanjay Saxena, Chief Operating Officer, Sales and Marketing, SANY India.
How's been the experience so far and what exactly you expect from this?
The day one experience is quite surprising for me because I am seeing a big footfall of the people here.
So,
As you know, like for construction and construction machinery, we are operating into 6 divisions, right, sir? So currently where we are standing is a road construction equipment. So we are seeing this milling machine. This is a new product of 1.3 meter milling machine with front loading system. Like this is 2 meter milling machine. Then other than that, we are also displaying the Exide EQC 8 meter new paver. This is new to India market from our product range. So this is for the road construction machinery. If you go to foundation machines, that is piling rigs. So we have displayed here over 4 models, I would say, 4 kinds of machine. So one is a new machine that is SR140 small piling rig. We have our star model that is SR235. It is one of the largest selling rig in India. And then we have our SR285. This is one of the largest piling rig of India. Okay. And then the largest grab machine is there. That is SH700. In none of the products such big machine is currently being used. Okay. So we have brought it here to show the new technology to the users.
So as you said that you have presence across 6 sectors. So which particular division is going to drive the business for SANY India in 2025?
See, looking at the current demand and the stages of the product, if you call. So currently we have two of our largest division. That is, one is excavator business unit and crane business unit. These are the 2 business units which almost will be close to 60% of the sales of 2025. So, but what we see, mining is growing very fast. With the new mining projects or new MDOs, mining is kicking up very fast.
So, sir, now excavator division, then you have mining solutions, and these are the paints of our foundations. And then this time we are seeing a new tagline of SANY, that is Chariots of Development. What exactly it's this?
As you know, our earlier theme was Naya Bharat Ka Nirmata.
Right, sir.
So now we are moving to Chariots of Development. So it simply means actually all these machines, whatever products we are displaying, they are like chariots. So the major goal for producing these machines, providing for the various infrastructure project for construction work, is leading to the Viksit Bharat 2047. So these are the chariots who will contribute to that goal, who will take India to reach as a developed country. And actually all of us are chariots only. I am also chariot because I am also working with these machines. We are also giving, working on various new technologies, right? So our technical department is also, so all the efforts are actually moving towards as a goal, as a developed country. So that's why we thought this is the right word for this year's theme, as a chariots of development.
So India is a vibrant economy, having significant target of $1 trillion. So $5 trillion. But despite having all these things, there are challenges too. So for construction infrastructure segments or even the mining segment, so what are the challenges you face being a leading equipment players? And what do you suggest in the years, sort of things?
See, challenges, if you talk in this industry segment, one major challenge is of getting, good quality of vendors or the investments, right, by the vendors. So that is one, because though we are companies working for developing the new technologies, is a new kind of components, but we are facing some issues with the availability of the material here. Okay. The kind of specifications what we need in components, that is little challenging here. In fact, we have a company, we have taken a decision to work towards that also, where we are working with the MSMEs and a few good entrepreneurs who are willing to invest and work with us for developing these good quality sub-assemblies and component. That is one challenge we are facing. Then another one is with regard to the incentives, incentive policy by government.
PLIs.
So PLIs, what you call the precisely PLI. While PLI is available for, say other industries, but for construction industry it is yet to come. So that is what the industry is in discussions with the respective bodies for working out a suitable PLI scheme for construction industry. So that was a challenge, but it is now getting addressed to some extent.
Now, coming back to the performance of Sany, it has grown multifold with adding new product range, new acquisition in the Indian market, sort of things. What exactly, if you have to talk about the performance of Sany during the past 1 year, because we are almost at the end of the year, and and what exactly you are looking at 2025, if you have certain targets or so?
See, if you talk performance between last 1 year, we have grown almost by 25%, right, sir? So 25% is a good growth within the current time. So the Sany's revenue and sales have grown by 25%, but 2025, because 2024, there were some issues were there. But despite that, we could grow by 25%. But 2025, we do not see any such challenge.
Okay.
And looking at the infrastructure pipeline, 11.11 lakh crore, what has been announced by government. So most of the investment will come during next year.
25% is the value term?
25% growth in terms of
It's of sales volume.
Yeah, and we are also, adding new product line every month or 2 months or every quarter, because our parent company have a very long range of machinery. So every 2 months, 3 months, we add new product lines, new kinds of machine, upgraded machines. So that is also propelling the growth.
And while talking about this new product range and taking a walk around, and rightfully we have reached to the electric powered truck.
Yeah.
So how is the demand for electric powered vehicles for off-highway segments?
You see, electric power, the demand, especially in 2024, was reasonably okay, I would say. It was not great because users are still trying to adapt to that idea of going for electric machine, because the initial ownership cost of these machines may be higher, but they are realizing now slowly the cost saving in operational cost, because cost saving in operational cost is very, very high, quite high. It range to 80 to 90% in some of the machine. So slowly having realized this, and since already some machines have started working at some of the mines, they have witnessed the performance, they have how the operation cost has come down. So now I feel with that impetus will be given, and next 2 to 3 years in the coming project, this demand will be great actually.
So being a first mover in this electric segment, any pros and cons you say for your business?
As such, I do not see much cons here, because first year if you thought, right? So see, there was a little challenge in setting up the charging infrastructure. That was some challenge we faced. But now solutions are available for that. And coming year, there won't be any such major challenges. So we have learned the lessons for the last 1.5 years.
And before taking permission from you to just concluding this interview, I need a concluding statement from you, that what exactly you are looking at for 2025 and beyond for Sany in India.
See, Sany is looking for, a multiple growth, because growth story of India is quite great. What is going to come now? So Sany want to be partner with that growth story, and we want to do maximum contribution to the country, the society, to achieve the final goal of a developed country.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. Great talking to you, and I wish that rightfully Sany will take the chariot of growth and
be a part of India's growth story. Thank you so much, Saket.
Hello friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.